Hello guys, good evening. I am Suhail Khalid Pizari. Today date is 22 February 2022 and today I am discuss on the topic methods in string. So let's start. In the previous video we discussed about the string or introduction of string. Today we discuss and in this video I say string is in that string so many methods are stored for the simplicity of the programming or easy we use of these methods we use of these methods and we create the program easily or this is very helpful for developers. So today we discuss I discuss on the that methods which are used in string. So let's start. So first method is length length method. With the help of length method we can find out the length of string. Means for example if I write a string s is equals to Hebshine. Then Hebshine, in that Hebshine, how many characters are present and what is the length of Hebshine? I find that so I use the length method the the for find the length of Hebshine. Means Hebshine, in that Hebshine word there are 7 words, there are 8 words in Hebshine. So if we write s dot length that at that time and we print on this on a console that at that time on a console we see the 8 integer is printed on console. The length is written, the length return type is integer. So second method is a trim method. With the help of method we trim our leading or trailing spaces which we which spaces we does not use in that, but with the help of trailing method we does not we does not out the with the help of trim method we can't out out the internal spaces. That's like for the example if we write Hebshine is the best institute and if I write multiple spaces in Hebshine is between the Hebshine and is word or we give spaces before the Hebshine or after the institute at that time and we use trim method at that time. The trim method only eliminate our leading or trailing spaces, but it's not eliminate the internal spaces which I give in Hebshine and in which I give between Hebshine and is word. So this is trim method. Our next method is equals to method. With the help of this method, we compare two strings which are equal or not, and this compare method gives us its return type is a boolean. Or next one is empty method. in that empty method, we in that empty method we find out our string is empty or not, or its return type is integer. Next method is empty method. Is empty method, in that also we find our string is empty or not, but is string method is string method's return type is boolean. So different in empty or is empty method. Empty method's return type is integer, or is empty method return type is boolean. So next one, our method is to uppercase method. In that, with the help of this method, we convert our lowercase string in a uppercase string, and if in our string, if we write any lowercase letter, or we want to convert in uppercase letter or whole string in uppercase letter, at that time we use uppercase method and its return type is string. So next one is lowercase method. It is also similar as uppercase method, but in that our uppercase string is converted into our lowercase string, or its return type also string. Or next one is our next one is our compare method, we discuss about that. Compare method return type is boolean. If our first string is equals to second string, at that time it's give us result is true. Or if our both strings are different, at that time it's give result is false. But in that case, a compare method, if I write one string, in that we write Hepshine in a smaller case, or in the second string I write Hepshine in a uppercase. At that time this string gives us result as a false, because in that compare method, if this method compares our later case also. And if we use compare if we use next another method is compare ignore case method. If we use compare ignore case method, in that if we write in a first string is Hepshine, it's in a uppercase, or if we write a second string in that Hepshine, or this Hepshine is in a lower case, or if we compare both, at that time the compare ignore case method gives us result as true, because both strings are same. So this methods in use in a string, or so many methods is used in string. So all about these methods we can discuss, or if in future we also discuss about another methods which are used in string. So thank you.